Hey crypto fam, welcome back to our channel app tutorial where we post video related with crypto and other stuff. So in today's video, it's about Binance and it's on what's the two-step verification in Binance. So for all the people who are new to our channel and they don't know what Binance is, let me explain to you guys what Binance is. Because for those people who do not know Binance, they are probably going to get confused what two-step verification in Binance is. Because before you know what the water tastes like, you know where the water comes from, right? Well, let me tell you guys what Binance is before you actually understand what two-step verification is. So Binance is the world's top crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's top crypto exchange, you guys can buy and sell crypto in it. So let me show you guys how you guys can turn on this two-step verification and what it is. Now before that, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now enough of me talking, let's get into the video. But before that, all those people who are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's start the video, shall we? First step, just go to Binance.com, log in into your account, click on your profile looking icon, go on security. So there's 4 types of two-step verification. Under security, the first 4 option is the two-step verification. The first one is basically a pen drive looking thing which Binance gives you. Once you plug it in, that's the only way you guys can log in into it. The other is through Google Authenticator or Binance Authenticator. Basically, you need to link your Binance with that authenticator and that code changes every 30 seconds. So you need to enter that code before it, finishes in the 30 second and log in into your account. The next one is the phone number where it's going to send a verification code to your SMS and you view that and log in into your account and do transaction. And with email verification, it's the same stuff. It's just that verification is sent to your email, not to your SMS. So how you guys can turn it on is there's the enable button right beside that two-step verification. Just click on the enable and it's going to show you how you guys can turn it on. All right. So that's basically what the two-step verification in Binance and how you guys can turn it on. So hope you guys are able to understand. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel app tutorials for future video just like this. If you guys want to sign up into Binance, I'll leave a referral link in the description for $10 bonus and bye bye and have a nice day.